Hi all, my name is Praveen Balan. Today in this video I'm going to speak about Exchange Server on-premise deployment and a particular problem we all might have encountered about cleaning up the expired SSL certificate. So we have to renew the SSL certificate which is in the Exchange Server on a regular interval. Usually it is every 2 years. And then we create a new certificate and then import the new certificate and assign the services that were used by the SSL certificate. So for example, the IAS, SMTP, POP3, IMAP, all these services we assign to the new certificate. But do we properly clean up the old SSL certificate? Sometimes we encounter a problem when we try to remove the old certificate saying this is currently used by some of these configurations. But in actual, the certificate is expired, and we all know that this cannot be used for any other service. And as an Exchange admin, I know for sure that this is already not in use, but it will still say that this certificate is used by some of these settings in the Exchange Server. I do not want to see it in the Exchange admin center or in the Exchange management shell. So what is the option to clean it up? The process is fairly simple. All you need to do is you need to ensure that the certificate is not used and it is expired. If you are in a hybrid configuration, please rerun the HCW, the hybrid configuration wizard again, to ensure that the certificate that you are used for the HCW is not the one that we are planning to remove. So once you confirm all that, you are good to go. Go to MMC, connect to certificate store and navigate to personal certificate store. So when you connect to the certificate store, ensure that you choose the computer account instead of the user account. So that's very important. Under personal, you will find all these SSL certificate listed there. Open the properties of the certificate which you're planning to remove. You can see the expiry date there, but still I will recommend to ensure that the thumbnail you map with the certificate that you're planning to remove from the Exchange, and go ahead and delete it. When you go back to the Exchange admin center or to the Exchange management shell EMS, you will not find the certificate anymore. I hope this was informational, and if it helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it. Also do subscribe to the channel so that you get notified on the new videos that I'm going to come up with. So it's time for us to wind up. I'll come back with another tip very soon. Till then, it is Praveen Balan signing off. Bye.